this is our TEX-AI Studio app. Let's log in. It has various sections: visualizer, pattern studio, cutting studio, costing, and finally the social part. So ideally, you pick up a garment, its image. For example, this garment, we take it and we have a swatch which we can attach our fabric swatch. For example, this one, we can further crop it, get the real texture what we want. We confirm it, and here we can further define the fabric, the drape structure, material itself, and here the model persona. So we can have a male model who might be like an adult walking probably, and what we'll do the synthesis of this garment based on this swatch, and it'll give us a visual presentation of the garment. So we can see you got the guy walking, the style of the jacket, even the zip, everything. And we have the technical element overlay, and we can add our call outs, for example, for the zipper, for the labels, and we can define it here in our junglers. Furthermore, we have the AI analysis, specifications. From here, we move to our pattern studio. We choose the size. Let's choose one size only. Tolerance to us. Okay, so let's run some analysis. How many sleeves? It's more like a ball. Front panel color. And then if we move to cutting, that would make technical pack. We transfer to cutting. Here we can choose plotter, output, or A4. The main part is the fabric width. We can adjust it, efficiency, what you want, and just trigger yield. And here we go. So we can have our different plotter as well. Then we move to costing studio. Here we can compare with other countries. For example, if you make this in Dhaka with 45% margin, also it's giving us some cost. There is a bill of material, there is labor ops, and we can do it for another country, rephrase the simulation, do the comparison. Finally, the social studio. It's ideally to present Instagram story, current social theme, see? Then you can change the text if you want to do something else. So that's it. That's the application. Thank you.